Hello, welcome to Niru's kitchen. Today we're going to make urad, which is black lentils. And here are the ingredients we're going to use. This is half a teaspoon of mustard and cumin seeds, 4 small chopped shallots. We're going to begin by adding asafoetida, some garlic. There's one chili and a small stick of ginger, it's about 2 ounces, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, that's half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And we have got here half a tin of tomato with 1 chopped tomato to add that bit of freshness. And we've got 200 grams of urad, which I have pre-boiled in about 15 mils of water. Black lentils, and I've got some yogurt here, which I'm going to add just before we serve, and some coriander, which is in the freezer. I'm going to test the oil to see if it's heated up. As you can see, the grains are frying up quite nicely, so I'm going to add the cumin and mustard seeds. As you can see, it's popping like that. That's exactly what we should do and what you should see to get the right flavour. And I'm going to add the onions, the shallots. Fry them off until they're caramelized a little bit. On a low heat, you don't want to burn anything. I'm going to add the asafoetida and the garlic pieces. If you put them in too early, they're going to burn, so you want to make sure that they cook through quite well. Turn the heat just slightly. Turn to a bigger spoon, it doesn't scratch the pan. Leave that for a bit, just for a minute or two, just so it cooks through properly. I'll bring the urad over here so that it's easy for me to access. Put it next to me, so I'm not stretching all the time. Go back to the onions. This is the gravy stage of the cooking. We're preparing the gravy for the urad, so that you get a really nice, good mixture and a good sauce before you add the urad. As you can see, it's all fried through quite well. I'm going to add the tomatoes. I'm going to make sure that they mix through quite well. Turn the heat up here now, because you've added liquid, you need to get that cooking through quite on a slightly higher heat. And now Now, after a few minutes, I'm going to add the ingredients we prepared earlier into the gravy. So I'm adding some salt, some sugar, some chili powder, a little bit of turmeric, half a teaspoon, some ginger, and half a cube of green chili. And lastly, I'm going to add the garam masala. As you can see, it's blending through quite well. You can see a good gravy there. I'm going to turn that down slightly now. I'm just going to cover it up for a minute. Just to say, I've got to add one more ingredient in the masala, the gravy that we've made, which is cumin and coriander powder, which gives it a nice earthy fragrance to your cooking. Just stir that in. That's just about half a teaspoon, but you can adjust this according to your taste. As you can see, it's all mixed up quite well, so you can add the urad to it now. You can turn the heat up now. As I mix this through, I'm going to add about 100 ml of water to give it a little bit of a nice gravy to it. Sauce. Make good use of every bit of sauce, it's vital to the curry. Now the urad is ready. I'm going to add some yogurt. That will give it a nice creamy texture. And I'm going to add the coriander. These are frozen coriander which I've just added. I'm going to put them back before they defrost. As you can see, this is all looking very yummy now. I'm going to let that boil through for a few minutes. You have to continue stirring, otherwise the yogurt will curdle and leave little bits of white bits in the dal. So you see, this is all ready to serve now. And here is the urad that we made earlier to show you. As you can see, it's quite nice and creamy. Just serve it into the bowl. it on. And to end a beautiful dish, I usually serve with a knob of butter. James Martin, eat your heart out. I hope you love this dish. Do like my channel. There you go. I hope you enjoy the cooking. Thank you very much. Bye. See you next time.